We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.